Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download copyright-free background music for your YouTube videos. So I'm going to be using a free website. Head to your Chrome and put this website. The name of the website is pixabay.com. Pixabay.com. Here you can get stunning free images, videos, vectors, illustrations, music, name it. So first of all, you go to your background music, and you just press search. So here music, you go to background music. Yes, you just choose music here and do background music, and then you're going to hear this. You're going to hear some of this. You hear this one. You can keep searching. You can play. You can also put. I like this one, so I just press download. It's downloading file. This files are very so. This music is very copyright free and add. So once I do this video, I'll wait and press audio and put sounds, then put this. Just see it here, I'll just click it, I'll add it, and there you go. You can check the copyright check, or you can check it. And you see for some time to load, and you see some license. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like and subscribe.